Welcome to Invest Giant. Learn, invest, build your net worth. Have you ever pondered the real worth of the shiny gold in your vault or the elusive Bitcoin in your digital wallet? Today we're diving headfirst into this age-old debate, putting the traditional value of gold up against the modern allure of Bitcoin. This video isn't about declaring a winner, but about offering a balanced view on the advantages and disadvantages of both. It's a journey of exploration and discovery in the realms of tangible and digital wealth. So, are you ready to delve into the world of gold and Bitcoin? Let's get started. Gold, a precious metal, has been a symbol of wealth and power for centuries. From the ancient Egyptians to the modern day, gold has been revered for its beauty, durability, and rarity. It served as a medium of exchange, a store of value, and a global standard for currency. Let's delve into the advantages of gold. Firstly, its long history. Gold has been used as a form of currency and wealth preservation for over 2,000 years. This long-standing history brings with it a sense of stability and trust. Secondly, gold is tangible. It's a physical asset that you can hold in your hand, and there's a certain comfort in knowing you can physically possess what you own. Thirdly, gold often shines during times of economic crisis. When the stock market tumbles, investors often flee to the perceived safety of gold, which can help to maintain or even increase its value during such times. Lastly, gold's widespread acceptance. It's recognized and valued across the globe, making it a universally accepted form of wealth. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Gold has its share of disadvantages too. One of the biggest drawbacks is the issue of storage. Gold takes up space, and if you have a significant amount, you'll need a secure place to store it. This leads us to the next disadvantage, the cost of security. Securing gold can be expensive, whether it's a safe at home or a deposit box at a bank. Another downside is that gold doesn't produce an income stream. Unlike stocks and bonds, gold doesn't provide any return unless it's sold. So while it can be a good store of value, it's not a productive asset. So while gold glitters, it's not without its drawbacks. It's important to take these factors into consideration when deciding if gold is the right investment for you. In our next segment, we'll delve into the world of Bitcoin, the digital gold. Stay tuned. Now let's traverse to the realm of the digital Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold. In a world where technology advances at a breakneck speed, Bitcoin has emerged as a new form of wealth. It's decentralized, meaning no government or central bank controls it. This gives Bitcoin a unique advantage over traditional forms of currency. You are the sole owner of your digital wealth, free from the interference of any third party. But that's not all. Bitcoin also offers the potential for high returns. Early adopters have seen their investments skyrocket, making Bitcoin an attractive option for many. And let's not forget its ease of transfer. With just a few clicks, one can send Bitcoins across the globe, making it a convenient alternative to traditional banking systems. Moreover, much like gold, Bitcoin has a finite supply. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. This scarcity is what gives Bitcoin its value, and with increasing demand, this digital gold could potentially appreciate in value over time. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows in the land of Bitcoin. This digital currency is known for its volatility. One day you might be on top of the world, and the next you could find your investment has plummeted. This roller coaster ride isn't for the faint-hearted. There's also the risk of hacking. As a digital asset, Bitcoin is susceptible to cyber attacks. If your Bitcoin wallet gets hacked, you could lose everything. And while security measures are improving, the risk remains. Lastly, Bitcoin's anonymity has its drawbacks. It can be used for illicit activities such as money laundering or purchasing illegal goods. This darker side of Bitcoin is a reality we must not ignore. While Bitcoin shines in the digital world, it too has its shadows. As we continue to explore the pros and cons of gold and Bitcoin, it's essential to remember that like all investments, both come with their own set of risks and rewards. Having explored the pros and cons of both gold and Bitcoin, it's time to shed light on the verdict. There's no one-size-fits-all answer here. The choice between gold and Bitcoin is not a battle with a clear winner, but rather a reflection of your individual preference, risk tolerance, and investment goals. Let's consider gold, the timeless classic. Its proven stability and its role as a hedge against inflation make it a safe harbor, especially in volatile times. It's tangible. It's been around for thousands of years, and it's not going anywhere. On the other hand, we have Bitcoin, the digital maverick. It offers unparalleled potential for high returns, albeit with a higher degree of risk. It's groundbreaking, it's disruptive, and it's the vanguard of a new era of digital assets. But here's the thing, you don't have to choose one over the other. In fact, diversification is a key principle in any sound investment strategy. A well-balanced portfolio could very well include both gold and Bitcoin, each serving a different purpose and balancing the other out. Ultimately, the decision is yours. What's most important is that you do your homework, understand the risks involved, and make informed decisions that align with your personal financial goals and risk tolerance. In the end, whether you choose gold, Bitcoin, or a mix of both, remember that every investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards. So, we've traversed the realms of the tangible and the digital, explored the glitters and the shadows. We've delved into the rich history of gold, a precious metal that has stood the test of time, offering stability and a hedge against inflation. We've also journeyed into the world of Bitcoin, the digital gold of the 21st century, with its potential for high returns, but also its volatility and regulatory uncertainties. Both assets have their pros and cons, their allure and their risks. Gold with its enduring value and physical presence. Bitcoin with its digital nature and potential for exponential growth. It's the age-old question of stability versus opportunity, tangible versus digital, tradition versus innovation. Remember, every investment decision should be based on careful consideration and research. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It's about what fits your financial goals and risk tolerance. Whether you're an investor or a curious observer, we hope this exploration has enriched your understanding of gold and Bitcoin. Until next time, happy investing.